Okay, Adham, this is the web work. So for the first question, you'll see this little chart, and you're just going to go your sum of squares between is, and that will be this number right here. Go to factor, and it's going to be the SS value. Just put that in there. Your F statistic is right there, and your P value is also right there. If your P value, you know how to do this, is less than that, then you reject. So you say yes. Next question. Okay, so here, what you're going to do, you're going to take all your standard deviations, square each one, so 0 squared, plus, and then you add them together, plus 1.118 squared, plus 1 squared, plus 0.8292 squared, plus 1.0488 squared, right? So then you divide, and then you take the mean of that, so you divide it by 5, the total number, and that's going to give you this number over here, alright? And then your DF factor is going to be 4, and your DF within is going to be 20. So to get that SS within value, you just take that, which is the average of your standard deviation squared, and times it by 20, and that's going to give you that. Okay? Next question. You have, okay, your numerator is going to be your number of stores minus 1, and your denominator is going to be the sample number times the number of stores, so that would be 24 here, minus the number of stores, minus 4, so that's why I got 20. Okay, and then you look in your textbook under your F-score tables, and you go to numerator 3. Okay, so your numerator is 3, and your denominator is 20. So then you go here to these critical value for F distribution. So then you go for 3 and 20. Okay, so see here is your numerator, your DFN, so it's 3, and then you find the one where it goes to the denominator to 20. Okay, so here we have 20 and 3, we lined it up, and in the question it states that it tells you your F statistic right here is 2.8. So you look for which one is closest to 2.8, so that's between these two, right? So you go here, it's between 5 and 10%. So that's greater than your 5% significance level, so therefore you do not reject. And then you say the population is the same for all stores if you do not reject. If you do reject, it would be the opposite. And here you just make sure like they add up. So 20 plus 21 is 41. 15.5 plus 27.6 is 43.1. And then to get this value, you divide 15.5 divided by 20. Gives you that. This is 27.6 divided by 21. Gives you that. Your F score is this 0.775 divided by 0.1314. Gives you that number. This last question you won't be able to do without Minitab, so I just suggest you either call someone who has Minitab, or I guess you won't be able to do it. And then this answer is going to be no, and that's going to be all rankings are the same for sure. Those are for sure, so just keep them like that. But for that table, unless you have Minitab, you can't do it. Sorry. Alright, hope you see this in the morning. Bye.